Let's go out now.
You are finding yourself likely to be arrested.
For what?
Okay.
For antisocial behaviour.
Antisocial behaviour?
There's no.
What's your name, my friend? What are your name? What is your name?
There are no members of the public about for an antisocial behaviour crime being committed.
No, antisocial behaviour is committing antisocial behaviour.
No, it's not.
So that is basically demonstrating antisocial behaviour, which is defined under the Act, yeah?
Oh.
So what it is you are committing antisocial behaviour because it is antisocial to me.
No, it's not.
And it's antisocial to...
At first, this looked completely routine. A quiet visit outside a police station, a few questions, nothing dangerous, nothing urgent. But the moment authority stepped in, the tone shifted fast. A calm exchange turned into legal threats, accusations, and visible tension. And what should have stayed ordinary suddenly felt like a test of power. So, how did something this simple escalate to the point where an officer is being challenged on the law and even asked why he's shaking? Version 2, cinematic and serious. This is not recreation or stock footage. This is real life, captured by power to the trapped. Proletariat. Every second shown is authentic. The full, uncut source footage is available in the description because truth matters more than presentation.
Okay then guys, so PTTP is here somewhere called Bluewater. We're at Bluewater Police Station. Matt came here about a year ago and yeah, it wasn't quite so good. But yeah, I've just come down the M11, down the M25, windy as hell on there. The crosswinds are a nightmare on the motorbike. But yeah, when Matt came here there was only one marked unit parked there, and there was a little panda, I think it was. Oh.
He arrives already carrying history. Somebody came here before and left with a bad impression. That matters, because once a place has a reputation, every new interaction gets weighed against it. Nothing.
Yeah, so get a few pictures of these cars and that. I think that was the little sort of one that was here when he came. So this is part of Kent Police. This is interesting.
Nothing dramatic yet, just a camera, a quiet station, and the usual discomfort. That comes when public authority gets watched back.
It's an odd little station though. So there is a sign here saying information access for police personnel only. We won't go through the gate. Yeah, I noticed, you know, some forces have the like slogans and things on the sides of the vehicles, but Kent Police doesn't have anything. Yeah, so they got one van and 3 cars situated.
This part matters more than it looks. He sees the boundary, names it, and respects it. Later on, that makes the accusations feel a lot less convincing.
Back there, that's usually indicative of some form of custody cell, that type of windowing. Yeah, so yeah, an odd little place to have a police station. We've got a big sort of body of water and that over there. It's quite interesting. I think I saw some signs for like zip lines and stuff nearby.
The place feels small, exposed, almost empty. And sometimes that's when authority feels most sensitive, because there's nowhere for uncertainty to hide.
Sorry, I didn't know who you were. I was just trying to see.
Pardon?
Police officer, that's all right. I'm just trying to see what you're up to. That's all. I didn't know.
Police officer?
Yes.
Oh, have you got your warrant card there, have you?
I have, certainly.
Lovely, cheers.
You're all right. Can I help you? What are you up to?
No, not too bad, thank you. Carl Frey, was that 10969?
10969.
No, you're sergeant. No, lovely. That's me.
What's that? Well, Chief Inspector, actually. I've got to update my card.
Oh, okay, so that's that date.
How
Does
can I
that
help
mean
you?
it's invalid, or if it's not up to date?
Does it say again, sorry?
Does that invalidate your card if it's not up to date?
Does it
Your warrant
invalidate
card.
it?
Yeah, your warrant card.
I don't think it invalidates it, no, but
No?
it's in the post. I've only just been promoted. So
You've just been promoted.
hopefully
Well,
it'll come
congratulations
through.
on your promotion,
Thank you.
Chief Inspector.
Thank you.
That's a hell of a jump, isn't it, from Sergeant to Chief Inspector?
Sorry, we're chatting. I just wanted to have a conversation. I just wondered what you were doing, so I was filming outside the police station, just making sure everything's okay.
Yeah, everything's fine, yeah.
Lovely. Can I ask what you're filming?
First challenge isn't violence, it's credibility. A warrant card that looks wrong may seem minor, but confidence starts slipping the moment authority looks untiddy. And
Well, just around the area, isn't it, really?
Just around the area?
Yeah.
So I just wondered what you was filming. That's what you seem to film the wildlife. Is it an interest of yours?
There's a lot of questions here. I don't understand.
I was just merely sharing questions, you sharing questions with me. We're just having a conversation, that was all.
Okay. Well, I appreciate your time, but, you know, I said Chief Inspector, I'm
Are we
fine.
streaming
I don't
live?
need
I'd
any
just
help.
like to know if I'm on telly. Are we streaming live? Are we going out anywhere?
No, I'm not live, no.
Oh, okay. But you are filming me, yeah?
Yes, yeah, currently
Okay.
film,
Can I ask why you're filming everything? Just curious.
Why not?
Why not what you're entitled to? I was just asking a question, being polite, that was all.
Yeah, that's right. Well, I appreciate your politeness. That's what I said, you know, I don't need any help, I don't need any assistance, everything's fine.
Okay.
And that's it, really.
Lovely, no worries. Are you prepared to share your details with me at all?
Do I have to?
No, you don't have to.
No.
Okay, all right.
That's fine.
Stay safe, have a good day.
Andrew,
Lovely.
take care.
here is the version policing likes to point to: calm voices, polite questions, no force, which only makes the next encounter harder to excuse.
Interesting. That was all. Because when that car rocked up, I wasn't even filming the police station. I was sweeping down over there. And even doing that, you know, you still get questioned and. Already it seems a lot better than when Matt came here.
But he doesn't have any ID on him or anything like that.
Right, yeah, even if I did, it's not something you're entitled to.
By all accounts.
He thinks it's gone better this time. Then, the atmosphere changes almost instantly. That's the reality in these moments. Not one standard, just whichever. Officer walks into frame.
You may have entered private premises.
To get a picture of the car, yeah.
That's okay. You're not allowed to enter private premises to do that. So for that, it's a civil matter for which police could possibly prosecute you. And in order to prosecute you, we'd need your details.
You can't prosecute for that.
Civil prosecution,
No, you
trespass.
can't.
Yes, we can.
No, you can't. The only thing you can do is remove someone. There's no bloody prosecution for trespass.
Yes, there is.
No, there isn't.
So how is it you're so
Because
versed?
I know.
Because you know what?
Because I know, don't I?
You know what?
You should know for your supervisor.
I'm
If I wanted to go in here and take a picture,
Get out of the property now.
right?
Get out of the police property now.
Let's go out now.
You are finding yourself likely to be arrested.
For what?
For
Listen to how quickly the legal footing starts wobbling. Civil trespass gets spoken about like a criminal threat, and the conversation begins to sound more like pressure than law.
antisocial behaviour.
There's no.
What are your name? What is your name?
There are no members of the public about for an antisocial behaviour crime being committed.
By being
Antisocial
here.
behaviour is committing antisocial
No, it's
behaviour.
not.
So that is basically demonstrating antisocial behaviour, which
Go
is
for it.
defined under the Act, yeah?
Oh.
So what it is you are committing antisocial behaviour because it is
How?
antisocial to me.
No, it's not.
And it's antisocial to my friends.
You don't qualify for antisocial behaviour because you're not a member of the
Really?
public. Yeah.
Really?
Go and arrest me then. See where that
Well,
gets
what I'm
you,
going
son.
to do is, like, if you go into our areas, if you go into our private property, we will
Yeah.
arrest you. Yeah.
For what?
Um,
You don't know because there isn't anything. You can throw
Really?
us out. You can remove us
Really?
by force, but you can't arrest us. Who are you, by the way? What's your call number?
Now the real lever appears. Antisocial behavior. Not as a clear legal standard, but as a tool to make a camera feel dangerous when the camera itself has done almost nothing.
my collar number is 11196. Who are you?
Right, none of your business.
Who are you?
None of your business.
Who are you?
None of your
Who are you?
business. None of your
Who are
business,
you?
fella.
Who are you?
Are your ears painted on or what?
Say again?
Are your ears painted on?
No
or
need to
what?
insult me, friend.
Right.
There's no need to insult me. Am I being insulting
Listen
to you?
to what I'm telling you
Am I
then.
being insulting to you?
Listen
So
to
why
what
are
I'm
you
telling
insulting to me?
Because you're not listening. I've told you 5 times.
Go towards that facility, and you will be managed away from that facility.
I know that. I expect
I
that.
think you've probably achieved your objective.
Yeah.
Well, what we'll do is we'll close up this
It will be
premises.
quite interesting on YouTube or whatever.
Why are you shaking?
Absolutely.
Why are you shaking?
I'm not shaking.
Yes, you are.
Hang on.
The camera's perfectly still,
we're not
fella.
here to discuss who's shaking or whatever.
I'm just asking him a question.
The anticipation of
This is where the mask slips, the insults come out, patience goes, and suddenly, the uniform looks less composed than the man holding the camera. That silence matters. After the threat, after the posturing, there's nothing left but the residue of it. Tension doesn't disappear just because the talking stops.
So there we go, I'm going to wrap that up and I'm going to head down to the next place and I shall see you all when I get there. Until then, stay safe, remember your rights, and as always,
He leaves with the simplest line in the whole video. Remember your rights. And it doesn't sound like a slogan. It sounds like the reason the camera mattered at all.